Hi, welcome to Easy Thai Dish by Manie channel. Today I kind of feel like eating something with garlic, lots of garlic and basil leaves. So today I'm gonna do stir-fried shrimp with basil leaves with lots of garlic and chilies. Okay, apron ready. Let's do it. I always mince lots of garlic ahead of time so you don't have to do it every time. Thai chilies or any kinds of chilies but fresh ones. Shrimps or prawns, fresh basil leaves. You can use blender to mince chilies with garlic and keep them together in the fridge, or you can keep them separate. That would save a lot of time. Oops, the wok is a little bit old. Time to change, but I like the size of it. The other one that I have is a little bit too big. I love garlic, so I always put a lot. For the chilies, it's optional. You don't have to put any if you cannot eat spicy at all, but it will bring out the smell and the flavor. Well, just put a little bit, that's fine, but in our family we kind of eat spicy, so we love to put a lot. You can do big prawns or any kinds of meat. Oyster sauce, thin soy sauce, kikkoman, just a little bit of sugar. So now you want to put the fresh basil leaves at the end, when you're about to turn off the stove. This type of dish we always eat with fried egg, sunny side up. The Thai way to cook sunny side up egg is to cook in a wok with lots of oil, and the white egg part is crispy. But I just cook one egg, so I just use this one because I don't have the small little wok. And I'm not supposed to cover, but I don't want to clean up so much. If I don't cover, the oil gonna be everywhere. I don't have cilantros. I'm out of cilantros. So this time I'm gonna use fresh uncooked basil leaves to garnish, and you can eat them too. They're good for you. Enjoy your meal. Thank you for watching.